in Heather's new car.
It's adorable.
Okay, so I just bought a Mini Cooper, or a Clubman to be more specific. Just dropped it off from Copart. We'll see if I can fix this up and make it run. Currently it doesn't crank. It seems to be extremely dead. Step one is I put it on the charger. And then we can start diagnosing what else is wrong with it. The very first thing described with it is that it was hit in the front. This front wheel seems to be turning at a different angle than the other side, so there's a good chance we've got a bent tie rod or something. There's indications that seem to indicate broken pipes and stuff in the engine. Missing side markers, scratches along the sides where it got hit by whatever. And then Copart itself, when they forked it, the Ford trucks look like they may have bent the rear control arms just a little bit. So we'll have to see about that too. But yeah, we'll see if we can get this running, make it a good present for my daughter. Off the ground. It's gonna get harder as it gets heavier. Oh, you almost got it off the ground.
You want any more?
Yeah, let's go higher. Okay, we'll stop there for a second. Yeah, it's gonna stay there. Then I'm gonna decide if